this is one broken camera. Yeah, we ended up checking and making this video and ended up seeing that sounds bad. I'm not sure what happened to this one, but wrong with the microphone where that strange noise is coming from. So hope you guys still can enjoy this video, because yeah, that's not what I had in mind on making these movies, and now I had to go back to the shop to record this all again. Lots of more work, and see, to make the best of this for now. We cleaned the container, started on the ambulance as well, and the interior. The electricals are prepared. Discussed everything with the guys who are going to hoist it in the air. So we're going to make some final adjustments and going to put the ambulance on some scales to see the perfect weight of it. Then with all the electricals and the ventilation what's coming in the ambulance, we discussed that as well. And I started preparing all the holes. Made some first lines of it, which you're going to see in this video. Hope you guys still like this video, because yeah, as you can see now and heard, the other camera went broken, so I need to fix this and make the best of it for now. Sometimes I really hate this. I was nicely working on the doors, got this all on the wheels, pretty happy with this. When I was working on the computer, putting all the files in the folders, now the folder is corrupted of my external hard drive. Contact them and big blah 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 story, probably all the files are gone. So this is something new. Not sure where to start filming and have fun with this if all my filming and files are gone for episode 3. So hopefully the data recovery can get it fixed, but I'm not really happy. This job is a little complicated enough to do. I don't want this. I'm no computer nerd. I don't like this. Let's get some vacation. I'm terrible at this. Don't have any patience for this. Damn. And these are all bent inwards. So let's see if we can get this outwards a little bit with some tips and tricks. Got these in the shop. M6, going to make these M8 and then make these on. Let's go. Perfect, my hand in front. All right. Alright, they're not in anymore. A little bit too much outside, but so we can straighten out this first. See where we end up. That's getting better. It will never be 100% perfect, but the thing is, it's used, so it's being recycled in good use in a hospital again for the fun. So what else do we want? We want it to look nice. That's what's happening. As you can see, everything is really bended and twisted. Oh yes, this is a little bended. Alright, it was lots of jiggling around, but as you can see, the hinges are pretty straight again. They're looking decent, and the gap in the center of the doors is decent as well, and the top line is decent as well. As you can see, the cabin is a little twisted, so it was difficult to get it right, but look how good these doors are closing again. Since the door is not going to be used anymore, I cleared out this space so we can flatten out the floor with some carpet, same as in the hospital. Cut out the door. I'm going to make it ready so I can make some bolts in it. So when it's all inside, we can bolt in the door and it will be in a good position. So from the inside, it still looks original. At the first try, as I said, a little bit too tight, but that's what I like, so I can always adjust it a little bit. Always so many of those time-consuming things. Just everything is really neat, but just 3 of those bolts won't come loose. So the door is in, locked and closed. Probably the best thing, drill a hole in the roof first, but there's some room behind the cabinets, but I'm not sure if the top side is closed all the way to the back. So before I drill a hole over there, the risk is not reaching it. Hello you. Look at this. It's just so spectacular again. Did all the measurements of this cabinet because I want to drill some holes in the roof for the ventilation. Same as I did over here where we got the thread too, and it was really easy to get a hole through the head and then just get on. I measured all the cabinets over here, drilled a hole, and in some strange way it looks like I'm ending up or in this wall or the roof sticker, or I just don't know. Let's see where we ended up with this hole, because I can't figure out what I did wrong. There's always something. Maybe it's just because I need to get a longer drill, or I just did something wrong in my measurements. That's always the fun stuff when you're doing everything on your own. You can't get anyone to help you and see what's going on. Here we go again. Crazy. Measurements are good. Oh, that makes it perfect. Everything prepared. Tomorrow there's another appointment with the architect. We're going on to another step so we can keep the flow going. I got the headliner ready for the final upholstery. So I got a nice sheet of wood. So I'm going to close out the back so we can upholster that as well. And then finally afterwards, hopefully between the cabin and the container, we can put some insulation materials in it. When that's done, the interior can go back in. We can clean that as well. And then I can start rebuilding some cool small electrical components on the 12-volt system for the blue lights. Maybe switch on a little lights. Maybe even a radio or a stereo or something, depending on what they want. Of course, they need a charger for their phone or for a laptop, which you want to put in. So that will be next. For this episode. Again, lots of stuff done, lots of difficulties to overcome. Started the upbuild, finally some nice stuff. It's clean now. As you can see, the architects helped with cleaning the ambulance. So we're preparing for the hoisting. It's 2 weeks from now when it's going up in the air and inside the hospital. So these upcoming 2 weeks are going to be really busy. As you've seen, we did a lot of work. So thank you again for watching these videos. Like and subscribe to my videos to see in the next 2 weeks how we're going to hurry up and get this finished. Thank you.